Good morning. So this is my friend Chef Matthew, and we are at the markets. Isn't it beautiful? And we're gonna go get some shopping ingredients for dinner tonight. So what are we gonna make?
I'm thinking about carpaccio, like sea green carpaccio with fresh vegetable.
Let's go shop. We need some cheese. Oh la la.
Ça, c'est notre spécialité.
This is the granddaddy of cheeses right here. Les macaroons.
Non, macaron.
Macaron.
Tomate cerise.
Cherries, strawberries, cheese. I'm not gonna be hungry for dinner. I'm eating all of my food now. Merci. Okay, we have all of our ingredients.
I think we're ready.
On y va?
On y va.
On y va. Gonna have a little dinner cruise, and I invited friends over. Gonna go cook some dinner for my friends.
Karlie, get your phone on this boat. We need to go.
Okay, let's go, let's go.
We are going to slice sea bream. It's like a sashimi,
Super thin.
super thin. We will slice some tomato, the purple basil.
Smell it. Okay, zucchini.
Yeah.
Makes like spaghetti. I'm your assistant here. Put me to
Yes.
work.
Not too much because we don't want to overpower the.
Should I stir it a little bit?
Yes. Lemon zest.
Ta-da! Cheers.
Cheers. Santé.
À santé.